All right, we like to get moving right away in the morning. As soon as breakfast has been served. Oh. Manfred sees something up front. And off they go. Let's go check it out. What does Manfred see? Oh, it's a squirrel he sees. He sees a squirrel. Notice how they all go following. It's not only birds of a feather flock together, it's when you're part of a flock, you want to stay as a flock. What is it, Manfred? He says, I'm going on a man hunt, twirling around, gonna find my squirrel, gonna catch him alive. Man hunt. There it is. I see that little stinker. All right, gotta go check on those babies again. My two silky roosters have been fighting. And the thing is, they fight silently. So you don't hear it. And it's not that they would kill each other. One of them would just die from exhaustion because roosters don't give up. And they do fight till the end. And the end is usually their heart just gives out. So they appear to be doing all right now. That's right, sweetie, that's right. Let's go ahead and get everybody out here, okay? Oh, now you come to me. Now you come to Mama, huh? This is part of the problem, too. Sweetie doesn't like it. The Spunky thinks I'm a hen. Good lambs, good lambs. Oh, he's barking at the cows. He's barking at the cows. Look at my little angel girl. My little angel. She's so sweet. Hey, get out of my face. That is the sweetest little... She must weigh 2 ounces. She's all feathers. Where's Manfred, huh? Go get Manfred. Good puppies. Good puppies. Let's go get Manfred. Come on, guys. Nope. Good girl, Juno. Come on. We're still working with the dogs. Look, here comes Green Legs to check on everything. The head honcho. We're still working with the puppies to not chase. And you've been like having this weird scratch all day today. You got an itch? What's going on with her? Why her keep walking funny? Her walking funny, huh? Why her walking funny? Let's go see what Manfred's doing. Come on. Come on, Chase. Let's go get Manfred. June Cash! I'm going on a man hunt, turning around. I don't know the words, but I sing it again. Man hunt. June Cash, come on, babies! We gotta get this party started first thing in the morning. Gotta get everybody out and about and moving. That's numero uno after numero uno feeding the puppies. Come on, June! June, Cash, come on, babies! they'll come in a second. What's another song? Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started in here. Woo-hoo-hoo. I do wake up happy every morning. I go to bed exhausted, happily exhausted, and I wake up refueled, rejuvenated, rested, ready to rock and roll. Get the day started. The puppies are eating a lot of sticks, so whenever I find them like this, I can't stop them from eating wood, but I can minimize what they eat. What you got there? What you got there, huh? What is that? Ew, ew, what is that? Yucky, yucky, yucky. Leave it. Good girl. I don't know what these are. They're from the trees, but... And they're everywhere. So again, I can't stop it. I can just minimize it, right? Where's the cows? Moo. Moo. Once I get everybody going, I do come down to the creek, the special bridge my father-in-law and my husband built probably 35 years ago. That used to be my father-in-law's property across the bridge. He sold it many years ago, and of course we have all our property. No, not all our property. We have 7 of 13 acres fenced in. You can see all the way up to the road. All the way beyond the house. 7 acres fenced in out of 13. But this is our favorite place, special place to come. My daughter even does her tarot card readings down here. And I come and I talk to JC, my father-in-law, his soul, his spirit, every morning. It's not that I hear back from him. He doesn't talk to me through my ears. It's a feeling. Our soul is our feeling. So with all that being said, I'm gonna go back and check on the birds and continue partying on.